Hey everybody, it's Paddy here from Evolution. Just doing a short video to introduce a new partnership that we're very proud to launch with the fine people over at Trodat, our good friends at Trodat, and between us and Trodat, we've been working hard over the last few months to integrate their Utopia stamp designer software into the Evolution platform. And the reason that we did that is because we want to open up the opportunity for you to be able to offer that service to your customers, and for your customers to be able to come onto the store, build, customize their own rubber stamps, and be able to add that to the shopping cart along with the paper, the pens, and the pencils that they get from you already. So in order to enable that capability, there's a few things you need to know. So the first step is, of course, you will need an account with Trodat. If you have one, then you would enter your Trodat account number in the store settings inside Evolution. You'll notice a new section that we've put down here called Utopia account number. So if we go ahead and click on that, then if you just enter your Utopia account number in this field here and click save, that's the first step of activating the functionality. Now, as a secondary step, you actually need to add the Trodat stamp catalog to your store. So as you would add any catalog, that's done in the Catalog Manager under the Fusion Catalogs tab. So as we go down the list here, you will notice a new catalog called the Trodat Stamp Catalog. And all you do is highlight that, click Add Below, and save. You also want to add that into the Global Storefront Catalog section of your web store. And again, click Save. And once you've done that, you've added all those Trodat stamp products to the store. And from a setup point of view, that's pretty much it. Okay, you've now enabled that capability. So what we're going to do now is switch to the front end and show you how that presents itself to the customer. So this would be an example of a customizable Trodat stamp product. Now you'll notice that against the item, instead of saying buy now as it would any stationery product, it says personalize, and that's of course the indicator that this stamp can be personalized. If we go ahead and click on that button, what it's going to do at this point is it's going to punch us out into the Utopia stamp designer tool. And of course we haven't left the site at this point, everything's still the same. So I'm going to go ahead and use the tools to customize this stamp. Let's just put some test information in. Okay, and there's a whole bunch of things that we can do here. So for example, we can change the font, we can change the size of fonts, we can add in graphics and borders, we can bold and underline and do all that kind of stuff. But I guess just for getting us through the video, I'm just going to go ahead and now preview those changes. Okay, and I can see how that's going to take effect within the tool. And once I'm happy with what I've created, I can go ahead and click Next. That's going to give me a finished proof of the stamp, telling me exactly what I'm going to get. Now at this point I can just go ahead and add to cart. So what this is going to do at this stage is take the finished product that you've created here and punch us back into the Evolution store and add that product to the shopping cart. Now of course we can now go and add some adhesives to the cart and do our standard stationery order. And once we are ready to check out, we can go to the shopping cart, click proceed to checkout, confirm all the usual information on the way out, PO number, any notes. Thank you very much, your order's been placed. Now that's going to come through to you on the back end as any order would, but there is a little difference from a standard order, so let's go and look at that. So if we flip back to the admin panel and we go to the order manager and look at the most recent order, which is this one here, you're going to notice that we have the standard order file that you would get for any order, plus a new section here called Confirm Order with Supplier. Okay, so there's two ways to confirm that. Number one, you're going to get the unique Utopia reference that identifies that stamp back at Trodat HQ. And you can send that order to Trodat with instructions to deliver to the customer's invoice address, or to have that come into you as the dealer just by clicking on any of these buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the dealer option, go ahead and click confirm, and boom, that's come back saying sent successfully, and that's created a purchase order with Trodat for that stamp. So guys, I think you'll agree that's a fantastic addition to the product. If you do not have a Trodat account, then we encourage you to do that. Customized rubber stamps is a great margin opportunity for office products dealers, and we would encourage everybody who doesn't have a Trodat account to get in touch with the customer service team at Trodat. And I'll put some details, contact information at the end of the video. And of course, if you have any questions or queries on this, you can be sure that everybody at Evolution is aware of the partnership, understanding perfectly how the two companies are working together and how the integration works. And you will expect exactly the same response and service from the Trodat customer service team. So there you go. We hope you like that. Like I say, any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. And we shall catch you soon on another video. Thanks.